So today I'm going to be teaching you how to stake your coins such as Solana, Cardano, Polkadot, Cosmos is a very easy way to stake. I would say this is more of a beginner way to stake. It's staking on Kraken, which is a centralized exchange. So this is different than staking inside of a wallet that is decentralized. If you don't already have the coin, you can go up here to buy crypto. You can go to buy and you can pick any of these coins. You can pick Solana. You can pick Cardano. I already have some in here, so I'm not going to do it. So you have to add a bank account and you can purchase them there, or you can transfer them in from another exchange. So we're going to go up here to earn, and I'm going to click stake, and I'm going to pick the coin that I want to stake. So in this example, I'm going to be staking Solana. It shows here that it pays out weekly. It pays out 6.5%. That's 6.5% over the year. That's not 6.5% every week, just so you know that. You're going to put the amount you want to stake and 2FA code. Always have your 2FA code set up. It is much safer. It's very dangerous to have any cryptos on an exchange without a two-factor authentication. Okay, there you go. Staking successful. These assets will appear in your staking wallet. So one thing to know about staking on Kraken is that it's a centralized exchange. So they have your keys. So they're essentially staking your coins for you in their own private validator, and they're holding on to it for you. So some crypto enthusiasts would say this isn't the safest way. It's not the safest way. If something happens to Kraken, the exchange, your money could be gone. Having said that, I have been staking with them. They're very big, very reputable centralized exchange, but this is also KYC. So you have to fill out know your customer, and all of this is, reported. And you can see down here the transactions, staking Solana initiated. One SOL. You can unstake these quickly. So it takes about 10 minutes to unstake, which is a really cool thing about this. It'll show you the coins here and the interest they pay. So Polkadot here is paying 12%. I actually haven't found a good wallet to stake Polkadot. If any of you guys out there know a good wallet to stake Polkadot, let me know, because I would like to get my Polkadot off of Kraken and into a different wallet. But I will do another video another time how to stake Solana and Cosmos and Cardano in a wallet on the chain decentralized. So yeah, so it just shows you here these different rates that you get. Cardano 4 to 6%, and every time a block is formed on the blockchain, then there are rewards given out to the staking holders. So that's kind of how this works. So that's why it's kind of an average. Solana here pays out 6.5%, but it's awesome because if you're a long-term investor like me and you're hodling, then your money is compounding, which is fantastic. It's passive income. I love it. It's amazing. And that's basically it for this video. Also, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Do not invest in things because I'm telling you to invest in them. Make all your own decisions. Do your own due diligence. Look into these things first. And yeah, keep aping and hodling.